The oil and gas industry is very important for the Tees Valley area due to providing a lot of jobs in a wide range of sectors. So you've got engineers like myself, you have got maintenance technicians, there's also people in marketing, and it helps the local economy. There's so many options and opportunities in this sector.
My name is Leanne Burley and I'm a graduate geotechnical engineer for Deep Ocean UK. Deep Ocean works in the subsea engineering industry, mainly in the oil and gas and renewable sector. Geotechnical engineers within Deep Ocean analyse the soil and geotechnical input. We then analyse the subsea soil conditions to pick the best trenching equipment to bury the cable or pipeline. I enjoyed geography at school. I really liked my geography teacher. He was a brilliant teacher and very enthusiastic about the subject, which helps. After passing my exams, my geography teacher advised me to go on to university to study geography. I applied for several unis and I got an unconditional offer for Glasgow University. I went on to study a Masters of Science in Geotechnics with Industry at the University of Strathclyde.
I'm Daniel Lawrenson and I'm a first year apprentice at NETA. The pipe fitting apprenticeship stood out to me because it was a lot of problem solving. You've got to deal with the drawing that you're given. You've got to look at your scenario you're given and you have to think of how you're going to do it. I've just finished my first year of my apprenticeship at NETA. I'm sponsored by Fabricom. They've given me the opportunity to be able to go out on site. I'll put my skills that I've learned to practice and then obviously get my level 3 qualification at the end of this. Fabricom is a worldwide company. It deals with everything in the engineering sector. They've got many contracts to do with pipe work. As a pipe fitter, I'll be working a lot with a welder. Without a welder, I wouldn't be able to do my job.
I'm Nathan Fair and I'm a first year apprentice at NETA Training Group. I was interested in welding because when I read the book on all the different disciplines, welding just stood out the most to me. When I first started, I did a rotation course where you get a bit of experience on every trade, plating, welding, design, and then I started the welding course. Cordell Group are a multidisciplined company where they do most things themselves. Everything from design, project control, structural work, that's a Dockside Road site in Middlesbrough, pipe work and mechanical, and that's in Thornaby.
My name's Emily French and I'm a second year apprentice at JDR Cables. JDR Cables makes subsea cables and umbilicals for offshore. A lot of the work we do is from wind turbines and then offshore oil rigs, things like that. I'm currently completing my MVQ level 3 while I'm at work, which is obviously on my practical qualification. And then in September, I'm going to start a mechanical HNC at Hartlepool College. So that'll take me through the last 2 years, like the academic side of my apprenticeship. You're working with all different types of people who have got all this experience, who've been in the industry for years, and you can get all this experience off them and learn all different ways of doing things, as well as working at college and doing more classroom based, so you're getting the best of both worlds.
My name is Paul Morn. I work at Subsea Innovation and I'm a service technician. Subsea Innovation is a company that manufacture and install many subsea appliances across the globe. Myself, I've been to Canada, America, Norway and in the UK waters. I've also done a job in Denmark. One of the current projects we're doing is a pipeline repair clamp. It's going to be installed 140 kilometres offshore from Easington. We use oil within our everyday lives to run your car, to cook with, whatever. Without the oil and gas industry, you wouldn't have any of these. Did my apprenticeship through South West Durham Training. It was a 4-year process. For the first year, I was shadowing another technician in the workshop. My second year, there was more responsibility on my behalf. So coming out of my apprenticeship, I've now got a full-time job and I really enjoy what I'm doing, whether it's in the workshop or working away.
I'm Sam Coleman, I'm the marketing assistant at Industrial Marine Hydraulics in Middlesbrough. I get to do all the branding, so I need to work on new and exciting ways of how to promote our company and how to promote our brand. At Industrial Marine Hydraulics, we do everything from design, manufacture, right through to commission and service of our products. For example, we do a lot of work on a ship and it has 6 legs, which when it gets to its desired destination, the 6 legs go down and actually jack the ship up out of the water so it creates its own platform. We work on all the hydraulics on that ship. My job role here has not only elaborated on the skills that I already had, my communication, organisation, it's now given me the confidence that I've needed for quite a while now, just to give me the boost, because there isn't a limit to what I can do here.
My name's David Aninakwa. I'm a civil structural design engineer. I work for K-Home International, which is in Thornaby. I went to Teesside University and I did the civil engineering degree. K-Home International is a multidiscipline engineering company which provides services to the oil and gas industry, petrochemical industry, pharmaceutical and heavy metals industry. I worked on a project at ConocoPhillips at Seal Sands where I designed a substation. I did the design calculations to size the building, and from that I passed them calculations over to a draftsman who produces drawings, and from them drawings the structure is constructed. The skills that you need to be an engineer are, I would say, maths and science, but you need common sense, you need to be responsible, you need good IT skills, you've got to take pride in your work, you've got to be a bit of a perfectionist.
Once I've finished my apprenticeship, the oil and gas industry at the minute is booming and it's going to give me a fantastic opportunity to travel around the world with fantastic job prospects.
When I've finished my apprenticeship and I'm out of time, hopefully I'll be doing well for the company. I'll be coded welder, multi-coded in all processes, and maybe go abroad or offshore.
Once I come out of my apprenticeship, I would hopefully like to go on and do my degree in probably a more mechanical side, I think, at the minute.
There's actually a lot of work at the moment up in China, so we're thinking of trying to promote ourselves over there. So I'm actually looking into learning Chinese.
There are women who are in higher positions than myself, so I'm very happy I went down this career path.